Hi, my name is Kim Morrow, and this is my beautiful wife, Elizabeth Morrow, and we are building the Addison P. And the best part that has been so far is the quality of the build that we're seeing. We're seeing quality products that we're putting into our home. We're seeing good foundation and all the different things that come inside the home. And so that's one thing that I really liked about that, and that's one thing I heard about the quality of Shaw, and that's why it kind of affirms our decision to stick with Shaw.
I actually have really enjoyed the design studio and working with Miss Shelley. She's amazing, I have to say, and gave us lots of suggestions and tips. And it's just really made it easy because with Shaw, you can come to the design studio and pick out pretty much everything here except for the lighting. There's one other vendor that they work with for their lighting, and they were also fabulous to work with.
And the thing that sets Shaw apart from other builders is not only quality, but they're fairly knowledgeable. There's a lot of questions I would ask about this product or the foundation or what the warranties that we would have, and I'd get very solid answers from the reps. And we've been looking at building a house for over 6 years, so we've talked to builders all over Tulsa and their surrounding areas, and this is definitely one of those that Shaw has been consistently giving us great information, great knowledge, following up, all those different kind of aspects.
Yes, and I will touch on the follow-up because of my job. I'm a little easier to take phone calls sometimes during the day, and my Shaw rep, Jesse, was really great at following up, reaching out to us, helping us, with the timeline and being very understanding of when we thought we would do things. And because I'm in sales and business development for my job, I understand the importance of a good rep always follows up. If I were to give advice to someone that was looking to build a home, I would highly recommend doing some research online first, do your homework, because as you're picking out everything that you're going to put into your home and designing your home, it helps if you go ahead and research those things first. That way you've already got an idea, and then the reps that you work with can help kind of guide you, especially if you're on a budget and you're really trying not to go over that. They can kind of help with your design and what would match up with budget-friendly ideas.
And my advice is really take your time. If you need to put the pause button on, let's just pause it, think it over, because once you make that decision, you're going to live with that. And so don't rush into anything. This is what you really want. Okay, well, what about this other option? And so take your time going through all those different kind of things and plan that out. Because building a home, it's great, but if you do something that you're going to live with and you don't like it, it's too bad. You've already made that decision. But take your time, talk to the reps, ask them questions, do your research like she was saying, come back, and it doesn't take too long. We've been searching for 6 years, and so that's a lot of time to really plan that out and take your time. So that's one thing, don't rush.